This is the Mellif Cordless Circular Saw 18 volt. It's brushless, it has a laser, comes with 2 spare blades, without a battery and without a charger. And in this video we're gonna put it to the test. And of course I'm gonna show you all the functions of this tool. Before we start, in the description you will find a link and a discount code for all Mellif products for 20% off. So you get really cheap tools. And believe me or not, most of them are very, very good. Now let's get into this. I did a really quick unboxing. It comes with this manual in English, this distance keeper or this guide rail, this guide, 2 spare blades, one for wood for 140 millimeters, and the other one, it's a smaller blade, 125 millimeters, and that's for concrete and stone. We're gonna install this one, a wood blade with 24 teeth. Put it in place. It has to go anti-clockwise. Hand tight. Then we have this lock button here. You can lock the blade, so you can tighten it up really good. Taking a closer look at the machine, there is this lift handle, so you can easily lift this one. It also will go automatically when you will use it, but there is this laser. See if this matches up really good. You can set the height here. And there is this lock for the trigger. That's really on the right place, so it's easy to unlock it. Some tools, it's on the wrong place. It's very unhandy to unlock your trigger, but this one is good. And right now I'm charging the battery, so when it's full we're gonna do some cuts. Also gonna give it a try with this guide, the saw guide, this guide rail. You can install it here, and you have to lock it with the hexagon. That's a little bit unhandy, I think, but the easy way is to install it in your machine, that you always have it with you. But we're gonna take a look how this works. It looks very solid, very strong, doesn't move, so that's very nice. But let's see how it operates. So I have a 4 amp hour battery fully charged here. That went very smooth. How about the laser? I can see the laser. I hope you can see it on the camera. I can see the laser. That's nice. Now I can see the laser line, so I want to see if I can follow the laser line easily. That's very smooth. Very smooth. I hope you can see the laser on camera too. That's why I zoomed in a little bit. Very nice. Just from another angle. Another piece of wood, plywood. Okay, I'm back. I had to charge the battery of the camera. I was making this cut, but I'm gonna do it again because I'm not sure if it filmed this. But this cut is it's a very fine cut. Look at this. Don't fall. Oh, I dropped it, of course. But look at this. This cut is very nice. Very nice. I'm gonna do it again. If it's still working after the drop. Of course. Is it still straight? Yeah, the laser is still on. I don't know if you can see the laser, but look how smooth this goes. I really like this tool already. Very nice. We're gonna do some thicker wood because it's very strong and it's not struggling at all. I'm gonna do some thicker wood. I'm gonna take this one. No struggle at all. No struggle at all. Very clear cuts. So we're gonna take it a step higher. Now, and for the people that following me for a longer time, they will remember this piece of wood. I've used this on drills and everything. Oh, and don't forget, I always have 5,000 followers. Look, this is 5 centimeters, and the length is 15, I think. Yeah, 15. And I almost have 5,000 followers on YouTube, like almost 21 on TikTok. And I'm gonna reveal myself when we reach the 5,000 followers on YouTube. So I'm gonna do a vlog about the tool and in the vlog style. So if you're not a subscriber yet, subscribe now. And let's see how easy this goes, or let's see if it doesn't struggle. I think the blade is not wide enough. Doesn't go through all the way. Almost. Now we're gonna try it with the guide rail. Oh, that's very nice. Very good. Again. Very easy. Very straight. Just showing the cuts. It's very clear, as you can see. So I'm very happy about this tool. I must say, I do really like this 18-volt machine. With the 4 amp hour battery, it's so strong. But as always, it's up to your opinion. It's what you think about it. I make these videos for you, so you can decide if this is a tool that is suitable for your job. The only thing I didn't like is I couldn't make the cut from 5 centimeters. It was just like 4.8 or something. 4.8 that he could cut. But for the rest, it didn't struggle at any moment. It's very, very strong. It has power enough. Let me show you the battery status. The battery capacity that's left. Still 3 stripes. Well, my experience with these batteries from Mellif are very, very good. I had a chainsaw. I cut down a whole tree and it was cost me only 1 or 2 stripes. I think 1 or 2 stripes. So those batteries, I have no doubt about them. This one is delivered without the battery, but they also have the sets with battery and charger. You can take a look at their website. The link is in the description. The discount code is also in the description. You will get 20% discount on these products. Now there are also more Mellif tools coming for my next videos, like a multi-tool with a handle on the side. That's very, normally multi-tools don't have them. So that's a very nice tool. It's in a case with batteries and with charger. I have a snow blower for the winter, so we cannot film that yet. There is a vacuum and tile vibrating machine coming. I'm not gonna film that all the way, but I'm gonna show you. I also have like a polishing machine, all that stuff. You can also take a look at their website. They're all on there with 20% discount, all tools. If you like this video, if you like this tool, please give it a like. Don't forget to hit the hype button below the video. That's a new function in YouTube. And leave me a comment. I really like the comments. There are some followers that are commenting on a lot of videos, and that's really helping me making new videos. So please subscribe if you want to see future videos, and don't forget to like. Thanks for watching.